Are you tired of living with chronic pain, fatigue, and inflammation? Discover this amazing biohacking technology of pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, or PEMF therapy, and learn how it can transform your life. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, its numerous benefits, and how it can improve your overall health and your well-being. Welcome back to Age with Grace. Today we're exploring an exciting topic, pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, or the PEMF. We've compiled some of the most frequently asked questions about the PEMF, so let's jump right into it. PEMF. It's pulsed electromagnetic field therapy. It is a non-invasive treatment that uses low-frequency electromagnetic fields to stimulate cellular function and promote healing. Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy works by applying electromagnetic pulses to the body to stimulate cellular function and promote healing. These waves penetrate tissues and cells, helping to enhance cellular metabolism, reduce inflammation, and improve oxygenation. These can provide pain relief as well. Working at the cellular level, PEMF therapy aims to support overall health, wellness, accelerate healing, and provide various benefits to help and aid in various conditions without any invasive procedures. PEMF therapy works by generating pulsed electromagnetic fields that induce small electrical currents within the body's tissues, stimulating cellular activity and promoting various health benefits. This cellular stimulation enhances overall function, including improved cell proliferation, altered membrane structure, increased ATP production, and enhanced protein synthesis. The therapy also boosts microcirculation. It helps to aid in reducing inflammation and modulates nerve signals, leading to pain relief and accelerated healing. By restoring electromagnetic balance in damaged cells and inducing a relaxation response, PEMF therapy supports overall health, aids in stress reduction, and improves sleep quality. PEMF therapy is generally considered safe for most people. It is non-invasive. However, it may not be suitable for some individuals with certain medical conditions, such as those with pacemakers or pregnant women. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new therapy or protocol. The frequency of PEMF sessions can vary based on individual needs and health goals. Many practitioners recommend starting with several sessions per week and then adjusting based on your body's response and your specific health objectives. If you have any questions about PEMF therapy or want to share your personal experiences with pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, please leave a message in a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips.